Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make upcycle old jeans into new skirt.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
Alright, stop chilling with the music. Now let's start upcycling. About the length of the skirt, you can choose around 38 centimeters. Showing this curved line. For the thick fabric like jeans, we should change the bigger needle, number 14 or 16, to avoid breaking up. Honestly, it's happened to me sometime and I have to pay for the new needle, so I hope you not take. Continue with the back. Draw the curved line at female body. Nearly there.
Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me